My name is Alicia Olvera, and I will be giving a psychological analysis of the movie Benny and Joon. In the movie Benny and Joon, brother Benny cares for his mentally ill sister Joon. Benny struggles to work and make sure that Joon has someone watching her during the day. Joon tends to push away the help that her brother finds, which creates turmoil in the relationship. One night, Joon attends a poker game with her brother's friends and ends up accidentally winning Sam as a new guest in their home. Sam is a quirky young man that has a deep appreciation for movies and takes a liking to Joon. Sam becomes Joon's caregiver and shows her and her brother that she is capable of caring for herself. Soon after, Sam and Joon catch feelings for each other, which earns Benny's disapproval. The two run away, but Sam soon discovers that he may not be able to adequately care for Joon. Ultimately, the three work together to give Joon the space she needs to grow and have a new relationship. The movie was released in 1993, which was at the shift of mental health views from 1980 to the 1990s. The movie is also set in Spokane, Washington, which had a bad reputation for not properly caring for its patients. Joon is a young woman that suffers from mental illness that is not clearly stated or defined in the movie. The vagueness of Joon's illness helps create the message that mental illness does not always fit in a box, which is key at this turning point in the society. It is very likely that Joon suffers from schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is characterized by delusions, hallucinations, disordered behavior and speech, and withdrawal. Joon did have a therapist in the film. It is clear that she had been seeing a therapist for a long period of time. It is also revealed that Joon's condition is a result of a traumatic event. It is possible that she also suffers from PTSD and OCD. There is a stigma around schizophrenia, but those that suffer with it are violent, unpredictable, and incapable of living normal lives. The evidence of Joon's condition is seen in the fact that she has positive hallucinations. This is seen in the scene with Joon on the bus with Sam as they try to run away. Joon experiences hallucinations that result in the bus having to be pulled over and Joon being hospitalized. She also experiences positive disorganized behavior. Joon's disorganized behavior is present in the scene where she attempts to stop traffic with a ping pong paddle while wearing a snorkel. Despite having several of the symptoms, Joon lacks the loss of motive that is common in schizophrenia. In fact, she still enjoys her painting and her daily routine. Cognitive behavioral therapy would be helpful to focus on working towards goals to improve specific actions or mindsets of Joon. The two in the movie, Joon and her brother Benny, would have to work through the cultural concern that schizophrenia is not curable. They would also have to work through the fact that Benny doesn't necessarily want Joon to be treated. Ultimately, when looking at the broader perspectives of the movie, there is an accurate portrayal of Joon's schizophrenic behavior. This is displayed in how normal the interactions can be between individuals. It is also showed in how quickly the episodes can arise and gain momentum. The influence that this movie has on the schizophrenic ideals are that it normalizes schizophrenic individuals and shows that they are capable of living less dependent lives.